So let's say you want to make a Roblox account, but you don't know how to make a strong password. If you are like that, you are in the right place. First of all, choose a phrase or sentence that is easy for you to remember. For example, I like to play Minecraft with my friends. Second, take all the first letters of all the words in your phrase or sentence. For example, from I like to play Minecraft with my friends to ILTPMWMF. Third, change some of the letters to uppercase. So for example, from this to this. Final step, add some symbols and numbers to your password. You also can change some of the letters to symbols or numbers. And this is the final result. So your password must be at least 8 characters. Never tell it to anyone except your parents. Remember to always remember your password. And that's all. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully this video is useful for you guys. Bye bye.